Hey guys, welcome to Text Emporium, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use our proprietary ordering system. So from this homepage here, you're just going to go to the start button. You're going to enter in the company name. This is the name of the company that we are going to be writing about, or whatever it is. So not the agency, but the company we're writing about. Now we're going to have a big idea behind content right here. You want to be very descriptive in this section. This is where you give us all the boundaries of what to write about and what not to write about. And the more descriptive you are, the better, because we will fix any issues we have with our content if it has to do with grammar, readability, or keyword usage. We have a guarantee for all of that. However, if you don't give us enough topical boundaries and we write outside of your boundaries, just because we're based off of the keywords, we cannot rewrite it for free. So use the time that you have and the available space you have here to write what you want us to include in each page or whatever. Just be very, very descriptive here. So I'm going to say this is a company. So it's a very small, big idea. Obviously, you don't want to make it a lot longer than this. Just for the sake of the video, I made a little short one. So what they do, and what they do not do. All right. Now, if you have a website that you want us to write the content based off of, you can give it to us here. What I mean is, if you already have a framework and you want us to write our content to match your design that you already have, you won't have to redesign your site. We will make our content match your existing design. Okay. Page title. So down here, you're going to copy and paste your page title directly from your keyword research. So I'll go here, I'll grab the home page, I'll paste it, grab the word count, copy it, paste it in there, and then for the keywords and the H tags, you can copy those directly as well. So you just grab both the keywords and the H tags side by side, copy all of them, and then you can paste them in here and it'll take the H tags. Go to the next page, grab the name, grab the word count, and then grab both the keywords and the H tags, copy, paste. Next one, grab the words, paste it. Alright, and once you've copied and pasted everything, you should rest assured it's all pasted in correctly because you copied it and pasted directly here. But just make sure you check before you move on, because this review and cart page, once you're here, it's just to take a glance at it and get an overall bird's eye view. But once you're at this point, you cannot go backwards. So otherwise you have to refill in the things. So just make sure you're correct the first time. Then go to proceed to checkout here, and then enter in your billing information and your payment information down here. And from there, once the order goes through, you should receive two emails. One will be a receipt that confirms your purchase, and the second email will be confirmation that a writer has been assigned to your work. If you have not received an email that says a writer has been assigned to your work, please let us know right away. Once your work has been assigned to a writer, we try to get your content back to you in 7 days or less, but we ask for up to 2 weeks in case of demand. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for choosing Text Emporium. Have a great day.